Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel for the 31 days of Halloween. Today, as you can see, we're doing another skull, and today we're inspired by Dusky Honey from Instagram. As you can see, I've already gone and put down my foundation, but we did no brows. I'm going to go in with my white body paint from WolfeFace NFX body paints, and we're just going to outline where the skull is going to end, and then later we're going to fill it in. Please excuse my voice as I have a cold, but I want to make sure we're still going forward and filming and doing our best with everything going on. I'm going to speak as loud as I can, but I want to make sure that you guys can understand me through the process of doing the video. Here I am going in with NYX Vivid Brights and Rebellious Edge. All I'm doing with it is going in with a flat, dense brush and going around the edges just to give it a little bit of depth around the skull. And then I'm going to use a blending brush and just blend it out. And then we're going to use like a shimmer shadow, prismatic shadow from NYX, and we're going to set it just to give it a little oomph at the end. It looks pretty dope after. Add as much as you want to, blend it, and then if you need to go back in and add some more, please do so, just to make sure that color has a good punch. Later on, we're going to also use this same product and add it to the forehead just to give some contouring effect to the skull so that it looks more rounded, not so flat. I don't think it really filmed much of this. It had stopped filming for whatever reason, so I think you had a brief look at when I did that, but I want to make sure that I just had enough space to talk to you guys about that. Just make sure once we blend this, we do go on and contour the skull up with the same product, and we blend it in the best we can. That way it just looks like a three-dimensional skull and we're not flat. And of course, everything we're doing to the edges of the skull, we're also doing in the eye socket for the eyes. Same effects, same technique, same products, same everything. Just in the eyes. We gotta have the depth in there too. Sunken in, you know. Here we are using the NYX Prismatic Shadow in Mermaid. I love these shadows. They're just gorgeous for adding some oomph to any look. You can use these great as a highlight in some cases. And these are really great shadows around the holidays season. So, and they're affordable. They're like $5.99 a piece. Like, freaking amazing. So, yeah, if you don't have these in your collection, you need to check them out. They're effing amazing. Effing amazing. This is where I was talking to you guys about that contouring. It's a super brief showing. And here we are moving on to our jewels. I got these over at Michael's for, I think it was $5.99 for the pack. It was buy one get one half off when I got them, but they were early in the season, but they're super beautiful. I just used some NYX glitter glue. I probably should have gotten something a little bit more stronger. I could have used like lash glue to help they stick a little bit better, but it was a little weird spot, so I could have placed them better too. But they were pretty beautiful, and they were iridescent on the top, so these were perfect for this look with the effect that you got with them. So these are great for the teeth, and then we glued them right around the eyes. But with the body paint, they did not stick very well, so keep that in mind. Definitely don't use the glitter glue. Get lash glue, or even spirit gum or liquid latex. They'll definitely do a better job. Here we are going in with NYX liquid suede and amethyst. These are great liquid lips. They're really easy to put on. They don't dry down completely for those who don't like that feeling, but they do the job. Here we are just putting on the rest of our jewels. One on the nose for the skull nose that usually gets hollowed out, and then right around the eyes to add all the fun effects. And here we are with the finished look. I just put on some lashes from the Foxy babes in Aphrodite. I hope you guys love this skull as much as I did. Again, I got the inspiration from Dusky Honey on Instagram. She's amazing. She did something very, very similar to this. I just changed up the colors on this, but it's the exact same skull. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope to see you guys in my next tutorial. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out, and share with a friend and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Love you. I'll see you soon.